Today, we're taking a look at TeliportMe Virtual Tours, a powerful tool that helps you create high-resolution virtual tours packed with interactive elements like hotspots and even 3D dollhouses. Agencies that aren't using virtual tours to market their clients are missing out on a huge business opportunity. Think about salons, clinics, schools, theaters, cruise ships. The possibilities are endless. Selling clients on virtual tours can open up an entirely new revenue stream for your agency. And the perfect tool for the job? TeliportMe Virtual Tours. Here's your new dashboard where all your projects are laid out. Even if you've never built a virtual tour before, this platform is designed for ease of use. Let's jump right in. One of the coolest features is the hotspots. These are like little magic buttons that link to just about anything. Images, videos, websites, you name it. You can choose from 3D text point hotspots or even polygon hotspots to map out entire areas. It's like handing visitors a treasure map without the sand in your shoes. Want to fully customize your tours? You can tweak menus, change thumbnails, and personalize the look in just a few clicks. And if you're looking to supercharge your agency, the Tier 3 plan gives you 25 brand accounts and 40 live virtual tours. They even recently rolled out a brand new feature, interactive menus, which you'll get by upgrading to the Tier 4 plan. Another standout is the pop-up creator. You can build pop-ups with images, text, buttons, and style them however you like. Plus, the 3D dollhouse view is seriously impressive. It lets users zoom in and out to see the full scope of any space. To make it even more engaging, you can add a virtual host for that personalized touch. And don't forget the magic embed feature, which lets you drop in videos and images right inside the tour for that extra wow factor. With TeliportMe Virtual Tours, creating professional quality, shareable tours has never been easier. Whether you're selling houses, showcasing a hotel, or promoting a unique venue, this tool has you covered.
Imagine being able to walk a client through a property, a showroom, or a venue without them stepping foot inside. That is the kind of experience TeliportMe Virtual Tours brings to the table. With simple drag-and-drop tools, anyone can design immersive tours that look polished and professional. You can match each project to your brand with custom themes, floating logos, buttons, and text boxes. The platform supports leading 360-degree cameras like Ricoh and Insta360, delivering breathtaking clarity with resolutions up to 32 megapixels. Interactive hotspots make tours engaging by allowing you to add videos, slideshows, and image galleries. For agencies and freelancers, managing multiple brands within a single account keeps everything streamlined and organized. On AppSumo, TeliportMe is available as a lifetime deal, making it a smart, long-term investment. If you want to impress clients and stand out, grab the offer today.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.